Ma'am, one of the interesting aspects in your journey has been that you have met celebrities, you have worked with them, you have hosted shows, radio shows. यूजुअली जो लोग बाहर से मीडिया वाली लाइफ को देखते हैं उनको लगता है कि यू नो इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट ग्रामर, इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट दे बीइंग ऑलवेज हैप्पी एंड ऑल दिस स्टफ. प्रोबेबली एक परफेक्ट लाइफ हम लोग ऑनलाइन देखते हैं उनकी एंड वी स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग आवरसेल्व्स. हमें लगता है कि नहीं यार, those are the people who are living a real lives. So if you could share a bit about that, like how your interaction with these people usually has been, and what difference do you see in the celebrities versus what we see them through the screen?
Yeah. I think what happens is, as I said, because I was in South Africa from 13 to 21, we were outside of India. So we used to watch all the Bollywood movies that would come out, pretty much everything that would release. So I watched everything from Etras to Etbar to whatever hit flop. I watched a lot of Hindi movies when I was there. So at that time, Bollywood seems larger than life, and you're very fascinated by celebrities and all of that, which I think even I was. And then when I moved to India and when I started working on shows where, you are actually interviewing celebrities, or when I did PR and marketing as well, and you're seeing them there as, you're doing an event and they're the spokesperson or they're there. Then you kind of pretty soon understand, I think the fascination for that world of glamour also a little bit, it reduces, because you realize they're also normal people at the end of the day. So, I mean, I think, so for me as well, I've been an anchor with even She the People .tv, and I've had to do this show, we did this show, which was called Mom Stars. And at that time, I was a young mom. I had, my son was 7 months old. And I had to go out and interview, celebrity mothers. So I interviewed Neha Dhupia, I interviewed Minnie Mathur and, Suchitra Pillai, people like that. And so I think over time, you just realize they're just normal people. And just from all these conversations, you realize at the end of the day, everyone is actually just trying to, make a name for themselves, continue doing good work, and being there for their family.